Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I know I haven't vlogged in a while. I know, I'm sorry. I've been really busy lately. And yeah, I think I haven't vlogged in like 3, maybe 4 years. Yeah. I don't remember how long ago I haven't vlogged. I'm gonna give you guys a reason why. From April of 2016 until October of 2017, I was working at a job for that long and I hated it. So in August of that year, I got another job and I'm still working there. And you guys have noticed I'm in a car as of right now. I got my driver's license about a few years ago, I would say, and I got my car in November of, I would say last year, no, November of 17. So I've been driving for a while and I'm going to take you guys throughout my day. I went to the bank earlier and then I went to Goodwill, bought some clothes for myself and my little cousin. And yeah, I might be picking up my little cousin later, who knows. And then I'm going to go drive to Boulder City. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with me. Sorry if this is really bad quality. I'm vlogging on my phone. For some reason my laptop isn't downloading the app that I used to edit videos, so I'm just going to vlog on my phone. So hopefully this is good quality, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I just made it to Boulder City. So I didn't want to vlog and drive because people out here in Vegas slash Henderson slash Boulder, not really Boulder City, but the people in Henderson, Vegas area, they drive like a madman. So I didn't want to vlog and drive. And I didn't want to get pulled over either. So yeah. So I'm here, I'm going to show you where I'm at, and yeah. Hey guys, so I just got done with the 99-cent store. I didn't want to vlog in there because I wasn't sure if I was allowed to or not. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys whatever I bought as soon as I get home. It is about almost 11 o'clock right now. And yeah, I'm going to go do a few more things and not vlog and drive because I don't feel safe doing that. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. So I just made a quick stop to Starbucks right over there. I got my usual, my caramel frap, and I also got a protein chicken wrap. I'm gonna sit down and eat it really quick before I go anywhere else. I think I just might head home and take everything else I can show you. And yeah, I might sit here in Boulder City until I actually go home. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get back home. Hey guys, so I made it to the Hoover Dam. I'm not in Boulder City. And I'm just going to give you guys a quick overview. The first few seconds of the clip that I saw before, I was driving to park. And I'm just going to give you guys an overview of the Hoover Dam. And I'm in, I believe, Arizona slash Nevada-ish. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys that in a few seconds. Cute little shop. It says Hoover Dam Lookout Gifts and Refreshments. It's a cute little stop to go to. So I just picked up some more goodies. I got 5 magnets and a hat, and this is where I got it from. So I'm just gonna go back home now. I'll show you guys what all I got, and I'm gonna stop at the bank first and put some money in the bank so I don't touch it for a while. And so I made it back home, and I did not go to the bank. I might go later or tomorrow. And I just want to show you guys what I got. So here we go. So I'm just gonna hurry up and put these away and vacuum and dust before my grandparents come home. And yeah, and I'll probably vlog later on when I go pick up my cousin if I end up doing that. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. These are the bags that I got. I want to show you. The very first place I went to was Goodwill. Sorry. And then I got this really cute jacket from there. I also got a few shirts just in case I end up doing catering at my work. Then I also bought these cute, really cute, oh, you guys can see it, sorry. Really cute Uggs from a little cousin. And then in this bag is just a whole bunch of clothes for her. Not going to go into detail into that. The next place I went to was the 99-cent store. Bought her a whole bunch of socks, underwear, and these will hold her socks and underwear. And I also bought a few things of pads. Sorry if that's a little TMI for you guys, and a thing for something else. And then here I stopped by the little gift shop that I showed you guys, and I bought a few magnets and a hat.